Beepers, you lost last time, which means one of you will be going to sleep!
Sleeping? I love sleeping. That's when I can dig a leg dreams.
Cloudy, don't get so comfortable. Sleeping is Four's code word for elimination at eternal algebra class.
Baloney, you're not supposed to know that.
Oh, I was just guessing?
Today's episode is very special.
Why is that?
It's the 4th episode!
Make over me in a drawing, or a sculpture, or however you like. It's time for the return of the Beep Beep!
Well, that's not our team name. Robotty, you're not helping.